garden update. This is morning. Also, you see all the weeds down here? Unfortunately, the reason why this lettuce right here that had the aphids probably won't grow back is because, or it will probably grow back like it is. It's growing back because I'm still watering it and I'm still spraying it with the oils, but it's because see all these weeds here and these weeds back here? Well, unfortunately, since I hurt my sciatic nerve and then I tried to pull weeds last week, I blew out my lower back area in that area because it was weak, you know, and I didn't know. So you can't, when you hurt your sciatic nerve and you're healing, you cannot reach down and start ripping weeds out of the ground in the front yard. It was the front yard. But this right here is the backyard. And so if I don't get those weeds right there in the back there, and then these weeds, then them aphids can stay. That's what I'm struggling with. So I'm going to go buy like something today, like something that has an extension, you know, that I can get those weeds out. But then I don't know if I'm going to be able to because I can't really reach down. Even though I worked out today and I feel strong, I'm afraid to do it. I have to wait a while until I can touch my toes again, you know. So anyway, just to let you guys know a little bit about healing with your sciatic nerve, but also here's the garden. So look at the lettuce. Sad, huh? You saw the last video. If you saw the last video, you know that this lettuce was rocking and I was enjoying it. But oh well, this happened last year too. And so this year I'm going to figure it out. And that's the problem with organic, you know. But I'm not going to put pesticides on this stuff. So I'm going to figure it out. And then we'll find out together if you guys are watching this stuff. Obviously you are. So check this out. This right here, these are my kale, right? I just cut some yesterday. Kale's awesome. Look at it. It's popping. It's doing good, right? Look at that. Beautiful, huh? Look at that. Get out of the shade. Let me get out of the shade. Let me get out of get the shadow out of there. Yeah. So I cut some of that. Yeah, and basically the cool thing about kale is you can throw it in your smoothie. You can clean it, throw it in your smoothie, right? Or you can, you know, boil it with some water, you know, and put some like garlic in there or something like that, you know, and then just have, what is that? I see something moving. What is that? Something was moving there. Maybe there's a spider in there or something. Anyway, that's their home. They get to live places too. They get to eat. See, that's the thing about gardens. You're getting to feed the world, the bug world, and then some of the animals too, right? So here's the jalapeños. They're not popping yet, but this is the eggplant, and then here's some more jalapeños. But you can see that they're starting to come out. So those will be coming. Those usually come out in Reno, northern Nevada. Those you'll probably see jalapeños in August, and right now it's the end of June. So here's the cat grass. So my dog likes to chomp on the cat grass. Okay, I was talking about that last time. That's the Japanese eggplant, and so that thing's getting going. I'll have a lot of Japanese eggplant in August also. Actually, all these will be going really well in August. So I'm just trying to show you guys. Northern Nevada is different than California. You know, my friend in California, you know, he's already having tomatoes and all that. See all these tomatoes. See all these flowers everywhere. So the tomatoes are starting to come out, right? They're starting to flower. That means the tomatoes are coming out, you know. This one right here, you can really see it. See all these down here? Look at all those. See those little tomatoes? They're actually going to be bigger. They're not, you probably can't tell the size on this camera. So anyway, this is just a quick update. My little basil's growing. So, and then see those weeds? God, they make me mad. I really want to get them weeds. Oh, I got to show you guys the cool thing. Hope I don't walk into spider webs out here. But look at all the apricots in my apricot tree. I don't know if you can see them. Let me see if I can find a better view for you. There's some right there. But right now they're like a pale green. That means they're turning. They're starting to turn. Anyway, have a great day, you guys.